How to add a custom location on Snapchat. Step-by-step guide. Want to add a custom location on Snapchat for your snaps or stories? Here's what you need to know. Important first. On Snapchat, you cannot directly create a custom location inside the app unless it already exists on the map database. However, there are a few working methods. Method 1. Use an existing location sticker. Open Snapchat and take a photo or video. Tap the sticker icon. Tap Location. Search for a nearby place and select it. This is the easiest method if the place already exists. Method 2. Add a new place via map services. Snapchat gets location data from map providers. To add a custom place, 1. Open Google Maps. 2. Tap Contribute. 3. Tap Add Place. 4. Enter the place name, category, and location. 5. Submit and wait for approval. Once approved, the location may appear later on Snapchat. Method 3. Create a custom geofilter, advanced. If you want a custom name for events or businesses, go to Snapchat's Create Filter option via the official website. Upload your design, select your location area, and set date and time, paid feature. If location is not showing, turn on location services in phone settings, update Snapchat to the latest version, and wait for map database updates. This can take a few days. Target summary. You cannot directly add a custom location inside Snapchat. Add the place through map services or use a custom geofilter for events or businesses.